All right, boys and girls, put your name at the top of your paper. And this week, remember our strategy for addition is doubles. And so what are the doubles? It's when you have two numbers that are the same number and we're adding them together. And we just memorize what the answer is so we don't have to use any kind of counting. We can just know the answer. So 1 plus 1 is what? It's 2. 3 plus 3. 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7. This one's a little bit harder because it's a bit bigger. 14. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 0 plus 0, that's easy. It's 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 2, what's that answer? It's 4. And 6 plus 6 we already did. It's up here. What's that answer? 12. 8 plus 8? 16. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Very good. That one on the other side. Right here. It's 16. Oops. That on the other side. What's that answer? 7 plus 7. We did that on the other side. It's 14. All right, let's turn it over on the back. I want you to push pause and try the back side on your own. Then when you're done, press play and check your answers with mine. So go ahead and push pause. All right, boys and girls, let's check your answers. 8 plus 8, well, we did 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 2, 4. 10 plus 10 is 20. Did you get those 4 right? Nice job. 3 plus 3 is 6. 9 plus 9 is 18. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6, it's 12. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 plus 8 we did up here. That's 16. So check your answers and make sure you got them all correct. Turn in your paper and then do what your teacher wants you to do next.